Good morning, guys. It's 8. What's up, you guys? So right now, you guys, we are going to church. So talk to you guys when we're done church. Guys, I'm just into work. So talk to you guys when I'm done work. So right now, you guys, we are packing some boxes. So that is what we're doing. These are all I'm getting used so far. I'm trying to think what other boxes I can use for that. So we're packing some boxes. This is gonna be fun and exciting. We get to do like that. So I still can't tell you guys what we're doing because it's a secret, you guys. We're just packing some boxes. Can't really tell you guys yet because we don't want a lot of people to know right now. But there's a big surprise, you guys. It's a huge surprise. So that's what's going on, you guys. Guys, so right now, you guys, we are going to pick up Rachel at technically Eden's house. So that's kind of cool and exciting. We're going to Eden's place to pick Rachel and Silas and Grace up. So cross out thing goes that she does it to sleep. Cross out thing goes. So I would talk to you guys when we pick up them. So right now, you guys, I'm making some for a snack. You guys, I'm making some what is it called? Peanut butter and bagel. Yes, peanut butter bagel. It's gonna be good. So good. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Subscribe. See you guys back in the new picture. Have a good night. Good night.